Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing the right liquid base. Use 1/2 cup to 1 cup of Greek yogurt for tangy creaminess or thicker body. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of milk, almond milk, or coconut milk for silkiness without overpowering flavor. If you want extra richness, use 1/2 to 1 cup of whole milk or 2 tablespoons of coconut cream to increase fat and mouthfeel. Measure liquids precisely and adjust after blending to avoid watery smoothies, and maintain a creamy, sippable consistency. Next, prioritize frozen fruit and healthy fats. Freeze fruit like bananas and berries in 1-inch pieces to thicken and chill the smoothie, and use frozen fruit as up to 1 to 1/2 cups per serving. Include fats for richness. 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of nut butter or 1/4 to 1/2 avocado per serving adds silkiness and satiety. For natural thickening and fiber, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or 1/4 cup of oats. Let chia rest 5 minutes to gel if time allows. Finally, follow a blending order and smart tweaks. Pour liquids first, then add soft ingredients like yogurt or nut butter, and put frozen items and ice on top so blades move freely. This creates smoother circulation. Pulse 10 to 15 seconds to break solids, then blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds to reach a creamy emulsion without overheating. Adjust texture in 1 tablespoon increments of water, milk, or extra ice until the desired creaminess is reached, and taste for sweetness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.